Medical disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes and general knowledge only, not intended as professional medical advice. Are you tired of feeling like you need an advanced degree just to eat healthy? One day, carbohydrates are labeled as evil, and the very next morning, fat is declared your new best friend. You are told to eat clean, eat raw, eat like a caveman, until you just give up and order pizza. Honestly, calling it a day with a warm slice often feels much more realistic than decoding endless rules. Every January, millions jump on restrictive diets, only to feel completely defeated by mid-February. Strict diets rely solely on extreme willpower, which inevitably drains our daily energy reserve. What if building a healthier life wasn't about a massive overhaul, but about tiny, effortless upgrades? In this video, we are ditching impossible restrictions and focusing purely on actionable nutrition hacks. We are breaking down the easiest snack swaps and meal habits you can implement starting right now. This is about achieving sustainable health fixes without stress or abandoning foods you actually love. Welcome to Part 1, the Snack Swap Revolution. It is time to upgrade your bites, not deprive yourself. Let us dismantle a major myth. Snacking is not inherently bad for your metabolic health. When stomach tissue empties, it secretes ghrelin, a hormone that signals the brain to seek quick energy. Trying to suppress ghrelin using pure willpower usually triggers severe overeating later in the day. Strategic snacking works with your biology by keeping hormone levels stable between primary meals. Hack number 1. Conquer the crunch craving without sacrificing the satisfying texture you crave. Picture it. Mid-afternoon strikes, and your hand automatically reaches for a bag of greasy potato chips. Processed chips lack dietary fiber, causing them to break down instantly into simple sugars. This rapid breakdown spikes blood sugar rapidly, triggering a sharp insulin response and quick hunger rebound. Instead of ignoring the craving, adopt this simple rule. Keep the crunch, change the base. Swap chips for roasted chickpeas. They deliver that exact salty crunch while offering rich plant protein. The high fiber content slows gastric emptying, keeping stomach stretch receptors engaged longer. Another elite swap is air-popped popcorn. You get enormous physical volume for minimal calories. Popcorn is actually a complex whole grain filled with cellular fiber that feeds beneficial gut microbiota. Season it yourself with olive oil and nutritional yeast for savory flavor and additional B vitamins. Raw vegetables do not have to be sad or tasteless punishments. Pair crunchy cucumber slices or bell pepper strips with rich hummus or creamy Greek yogurt dip. Healthy fats in hummus help your digestive tract absorb fat-soluble vitamins present in raw vegetables. Upgrading from white flour crackers to seeded whole grain alternatives provides sustained amino acid release. Hack number 2. Tame your sweet tooth intelligently without suffering severe energy crashes. It is 3 p.m., your brain power vanishes, and a vending machine candy bar begins calling your name. Refined sugar creates a fast spike in blood sugar, prompting an overproduction of insulin. This sharp insulin surge forces sugar into storage quickly, leaving you more exhausted than before. This initiates an endless vicious cycle where you constantly seek another sugar hit to stay awake. The secret is to pair natural fruit sugars with fiber, protein, and healthy fats to buffer absorption. Swap candy for a crisp apple paired with almond butter. Apple pectin fiber slows down fructose digestion. Fats and proteins slow down stomach emptying, converting a volatile spike into steady, prolonged energy. If you crave chocolate, select dark chocolate with 70% or higher cacao paired with raw walnuts. Dark cacao contains rich polyphenols and flavonoids that support vascular circulation and brain health. Beware of commercial-flavored yogurts. Many contain as much added sugar as a soft drink dessert. Start with plain Greek yogurt instead. It contains double the protein of conventional yogurt options. Concentrated casein and whey protein stimulate gut satiety peptides GLP-1 and PYY naturally. Control sweetness yourself by adding fresh berries or a light drizzle of honey to your bowl. Hack number 3. Sidestep the sneaky liquid calorie trap to prevent effortless calorie overconsumption. Sipping sugary sodas, sweet teas, or fruit juices feels refreshing, but your brain registers them poorly. Liquids bypass primary mechanical stretch receptors in the stomach, failing to signal full satiety to the brain. You can easily consume hundreds of liquid calories without reducing your appetite for your next meal. Swap soda for sparkling water. You retain the fun carbonation without adding sugar or artificial dyes. Try fruit-infused water. Cucumber, mint, or citrus slices give plain water a spa-like invigorating taste. When drinking orange juice, you consume sugar from multiple oranges without the beneficial fiber matrix. Shift your mindset. Eat your fruit instead of drinking it. You get full fiber and maximum satiety. Welcome to Part 2, Building Your Undiet Plate. Simple visual formulas for stress-free meal construction. Healthy eating does not mean weighing every chicken breast or tracking every single calorie in an app. Hack number 4, the Plate Blueprint, a simple visual guide developed by nutrition scientists at Harvard. Without a visual guide, plates often end up as unbalanced piles of refined carbohydrates. Fill half your plate with colorful, non-starchy vegetables and fruits. This forms your essential foundation. Vegetables supply vital micronutrients and soluble fiber that nourish your beneficial gut microbiome. Remember, frozen and low-sodium canned vegetables are just as nutritious, budget-friendly, and convenient. Fill 1/4 of your plate with high-quality lean protein like fish, poultry, tofu, or eggs. Dietary protein preserves lean muscle mass and has the highest thermic effect of all macronutrients. Fill the final 1/4 of your plate with whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, or steel-cut oats. Intact whole grains retain their outer bran shell, ensuring a slow, steady release of glucose into blood. Note that white potatoes act rapidly on blood sugar, so treat them as part of your grain quarter. A blueprint breakfast is simple. Half a plate of berries and spinach, scrambled eggs, and whole grain toast. Hack number 5, harness the power of preparation to remove friction when you are tired. You come home exhausted at 7 p.m. Cooking from scratch feels impossible, so takeout wins by default. Relying on evening willpower fails because decision fatigue depletes prefrontal cortex control by nightfall. Preparation is not spending Sunday packing identical bland containers. It is simple barrier reduction. Take 15 minutes after grocery shopping to wash and chop vegetables. Half the dinner effort is done. Adopt the cook once, eat twice mindset. If roasting 1 tray of vegetables or chicken, roast 2. Store extra quinoa or shredded chicken to build effortless wraps and grain bowls in under 5 minutes. Stock your pantry and freezer with healthy emergency defaults, canned beans, frozen berries, and oats. With stock defaults, you can construct a highly nourishing meal faster than waiting for food delivery. Hack number 6, implement the anchor meal strategy to eliminate morning and lunch mental fatigue. Constantly asking "what should I eat" creates unnecessary cognitive overload multiple times every single day. Establish 2 or 3 go-to anchor breakfasts that you can prepare on complete autopilot. Overnight oats loaded with chia seeds provide pre-made soluble fiber that stabilizes morning blood sugar. For lunch, create a reliable formula: mixed greens base, leftover protein, fiber crop, and olive oil dressing. Anchor meals preserve mental bandwidth so you can make healthier decisions when unexpected stress arises. Welcome to Part 3, the supporting habits. Hydration and timing tweaks that supercharge your nutrition. Hack number 7, practice the water-first guideline to prevent confusing dehydration with true hunger. The brain's hypothalamus regulates both thirst and hunger signals using remarkably similar biological neural pathways. Mild dehydration often manifests as fatigue or false hunger pangs, prompting unnecessary snack raids. When a sudden craving hits, drink a full glass of water and pause for 15 minutes to evaluate true physiological need. Hack number 8, the timing tweak. Stabilize your regular eating schedule to tame primal hunger spikes. Skipping meals pushes your body into intense primal hunger, causing you to eat too fast and overconsume later. Roughly consistent meal timing conditions your digestive ghrelin waves, preventing sudden blood sugar crashes. There you have it. 8 simple, science-backed nutrition hacks that upgrade your health without restrictive diets. Which of these simple upgrades are you going to try first? The Plate Blueprint or Anchor Meals? Tell me in the comments below. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for actionable health guides. Remember, perfection is not the goal, consistency is. Small daily upgrades create massive long-term fix. By nourishing your cells with whole foods and smart swaps, you optimize your natural mitochondrial energy production. Diverse plant fibers cultivate a thriving gut microbiome, supporting immune function and mental clarity. You do not need punishment or strict misery to thrive. You just need practical biological strategies. Keep your crunch cravings satisfied with high-fiber chickpea and popcorn bases. Buffer natural sweet cravings with healthy protein and fats to avoid glycemic roller coasters. Replace empty liquid calories with sparkling infused waters and eat your fruit whole. Construct balanced undiet plates effortlessly using the 50% produce visual template. Remove evening dinner friction by batch cooking grains and keeping stocked pantry defaults. Save cognitive mental energy by relying on simple go-to anchor meals for busy mornings. Check in with your hydration levels first before giving in to false hunger pangs. Maintain consistent meal timing to keep appetite signals stable and prevent frantic overeating. Armed with these simple strategies, grocery shopping and meal assembly become completely stress-free. Consistent intake of antioxidants and intact fibers lowers systemic cellular inflammation over time. Stabilizing your blood sugar enhances metabolic flexibility, allowing your body to burn fuel efficiently. Forget expensive fad supplements or detox teas. Real whole food swaps deliver genuine biological fixes. Optimal cellular hydration ensures rapid nutrient delivery and efficient cellular waste removal. Steady carbohydrate digestion supports continuous brain serotonin synthesis, regulating mood and focus. Swapping saturated snack fats for nut oils and seeds preserves long-term endothelial cardiovascular health. Building flexible, undiet habits means you can enjoy dining out with friends without social anxiety. Antioxidants in berries protect your cellular DNA against everyday oxidative environmental stress. Gut bacteria ferment fiber into beneficial short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, supporting colon health. When your environment is designed for success, healthy choices become your easiest path. Preventing late-night sugar spikes ensures steady nocturnal cortisol levels and deeper restorative sleep. Complex whole grains top off muscle glycogen stores, fueling sustained stamina for your daily activities. An occasional treat fits effortlessly into a lifestyle built on 80% nourishing baseline habits. Consistency compounds over months and years, yielding massive dividends in physical vitality. Replacing high-processed options with nutrient-dense swaps requires minimal effort for maximum biological reward. Sustained low glycemic eating restores biological insulin sensitivity across cellular membranes. You will notice stable daily energy, reduced brain fog, and consistent mood elevation. Adequate protein and micronutrients provide the essential building blocks for systemic tissue repair. Turn preparation into a simple 10-minute ritual after shopping to secure your health routine. A well-stocked, colorful refrigerator makes healthy eating the path of least resistance. Consistent water intake supports renal filtration and maintains optimal plasma electrolyte concentration. Eliminating blood sugar spikes keeps your brain provided with steady fuel for deep focus. Wave goodbye to extreme diet dogma and embrace effortless, practical nutrition science. Intact grains deliver natural B-complex vitamins essential for mitochondrial energy synthesis. Buying whole staples like popcorn kernels and chickpeas